a better beginning. Hi guys, this is Maitri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought of starting this video yesterday when I was getting these nails done, and then I thought that will be a very impromptu way to start a video, so I thought let's just do a sitting and talking video with all of you guys. Because last video में मैंने इतनी बातें नहीं करी थी, in this video I actually want to talk and show you guys whatever I'm doing in Bangalore. Oh, by the way, I am in Bangalore. This is my day 2 in Bangalore. So I'll tell you what all happened from yesterday. Okay. सबसे पहले तो मैं इतना रश में थी, मैं पूरे टाइम इतने रश में थी, मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको। ऐसी हालत थी मेरी, मैं ऐसे हालत में घर आ रही थी वापस। भाई मैं डर रही थी बस मेरा फ़ोन ना गिरे, मैं ना गिरूँ, सही सलामत पहुँच जाओ घर में। वी वर ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस, तो हमारी फ़्लाइट 1 घंटा डिले हो गई। उसके बाद हम घर पहुँचे यहाँ पे, लाइक एयरबीएनबी पे पहुँचे बहुत लेट, लाइक अराउंड 3ish वी रीच, बिकॉज एयरपोर्ट से बैंगलोर बहुत दूर है। I think right now I'm at the most beautiful airport. Just look at this. So beautiful. I think Karan Aujla is calling me. There are sunflowers all over. Oh shit. लॉल हो गया मेरा आज का ज्ञान. Karan Aujla is calling me for a reason. Welcome to Namma Bengaluru. It's 2 a.m. right now and I'm very hungry, so I think let's just have burgers. मेरी हालत बहुत खराब हो गई है भाई. This is my day 2 in Bangalore and I completely forgot to shoot anything yesterday. Like I've taken clips, but I need to explain you guys कि क्या हुआ था, कब हुआ था. So I'll do that later. But right now this is how I am looking, and I'm going to meet a friend from Calcutta, but she's from Calcutta but she lives in Bangalore. So yeah, let's go. And I'm going to visit this very beautiful cafe. It's called Dihas or Dihas. I think Dihas only. So yeah, let's go.
वेलकम टू मैत्रीज व्लॉग. दिस इज़ हर सेकेंड व्लॉग और मैं उसको कब से बोल रही हूँ कि बैंगलोर का व्लॉग बनाओ. वर्कला शुड आई रिवील? नो. काट कर देना. वी आर एट दीहा. वी हैड रियली अमेजिंग फूड विच इज़ जो कि मैत्री ने दिखाया नहीं शायद. आई हैड माचा एंड शी हैड अ मॉकटेल. हाउ डिड यू लाइक बैंगलोर सो फार, मैत्री?
So nice. It's my second day, so I liked it very much.
What else are you doing in Bangalore?
I am meeting you right now, and I think we'll just do this bar. Tell me, how was the food?
The food was really good. Actually, JP Nagar mein, you took a clip, right? You can add on it. JP Nagar mein there are a lot of nice cafes which you should explore because तुम अभी यहाँ पे बहुत time के लिए हो.
I'll show you guys.
वेगा सिटी मॉल डूइंग शॉपिंग. कुछ लिया नहीं अभी तक.
कुछ भी नहीं लिया अभी तक. सोच रहे क्या ले. एक दुकान से एक पसंद आ रहा है, दूसरी दुकान से एक पसंद आ रहा है, फिर हम लोग निकल जा रहे हैं. और आप बहुत महंगा बोल रहे हो भैया. हम तो हर बार आपके पास से ही लेते हैं. क्यों ना मुझे पहनाओ तो.
ये तुमको नहीं आएगा.
पहनाओ ना.
नहीं आएगा.
बच्चों का. आई नो आई एम मेकिंग फन.
नहीं.
some random sweet shop and I'm having chum chum. Oh god, I'm really missing Calcutta so much. Look who I spotted. Oh, Jalebi. Just reached the venue and it's so hot. My friend just finished his second High Rocks here in Bangalore, and the only thing that I say right now is that I'm super proud of him and I'm very motivated. I know I've said this last time as well when I was in Mumbai for my first High Rocks. I was spectating there as well. मैं अभी भी spectate ही कर रही हूँ because अभी भी मैंने इतना courage नहीं gather किया है कि मैं अभी okay, and I'm thinking, why am I procrastinating my journey? Like even last time in September 2025, I was really motivated. When I was here, I thought, okay, now I can finally do it. I'm motivated enough. I'll go back to Calcutta and then I'll start training. But that never happened because when I flew back to Calcutta, I was again demotivated. I was like, oh, it's very tough. I have to begin from the very beginning. So it just never happened. But right now when I'm here in Bangalore, I'm again feeling the same thing. I'm getting deja vu and I'm again feeling that the adrenaline rush. Okay, I can do it. Maybe I should go back to Calcutta and start training. But I think that is just not happening. This time I think I need to pat myself really hard and just do it. Training. Yapper. Why did you ruin my video? Look at his energy after completing his entire race.
Maitri Singh for High Rocks, guys. Comment below, make her do it.
Now look, everybody is again asking me to do it. Everybody is motivating me. I think I will continue this later. Bye.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on bell notifications. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Also,
Just some more batches. What are batches you want? All the
Tropica is hands down prettier at night. Just look at the lighting, look at the view. Oh my god. But we had to end our night with burgers, so we went to Smash Guys, and you can honestly tell by my expression how much I loved it. So we finished it and went home. This is how my 5th morning in Bangalore looked like. So I had to do my last workout since we're leaving tonight. So I flexed a little and did my pull workout. So here I'm doing deadlifts, and after that I quickly wrapped up and went up. This gym in Koramangala had this very beautiful terrace setup. So we went up, did some stretching and enjoyed this beautiful view. And then I went back home, packed our bags and then left like this. Can you imagine? People are absolutely correct when they nag about Bangalore traffic because it is real. So we took a train from Bangalore to Varkala. This was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my little vlogging attempt. And I'll see you in my next video, which is the Varkala vlog. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye.